Hi everyone and welcome to This Is How I Do It. In today's episode I will show you how I grow green peppers from seed to planting. Please subscribe, hit that like button and let's get into today's episode. Here we have some seeds that we have already cleaned out of a green pepper and allowed to dry out. I then take a small container and fill it with soil. I use the containers that I buy my mushrooms in from the grocery store, but you can use anything. Make sure to put enough soil in the container. Then, what I do is I take the green pepper seeds and sprinkle it on the soil, making sure to spread it out as best I can. Then I cover the seeds with the excess soil around the seeds, making sure to cover all of the seeds with enough soil, and then I throw water over the soil and do so every time the soil dries out. After about 6 days you will notice the seedlings starting to pop up. Nice, our green peppers are on the way. After another 6 days I then remove the seedlings from the container and put them in some homemade containers that are bigger, or you can plant it directly in the ground and water them accordingly. I will do another video once the green peppers have fully grown. Thank you for watching and please subscribe, like and share the video. This is how I do it.